Good morning, this is the exacttrades.com Shakers report for October 31st, 2011. First, we're taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see here pre-market, we're pulling back into this 127 support area. So let's watch that off the open today, see if we can hold that 127. If we break below 127, could see a little bit of support at 126.50, but I'm going to really be watching 126 as the major support level. I think we could sell off and come into 126 and then get a bounce off of that. If we move up off the open, could have some resistance at 127.60, right in there, and then into 127.80. So watch for that overhead resistance. Next would be close to that 129 mark, and then major resistance is going to be just under 130, 129.50. So watch those ranges. You can see the consolidation here from Friday's session. We could get up into this channel and then face that resistance and consolidate some more. Either we're going to pull back a little bit into this 126. If we break 126, possibly 125 area, I think, or we'll consolidate for the next few days and then possibly break through to another new high. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First up, we have CNP. You can see resistance level here just under 2150. We're going to take this long over 2153. It's right about there. First profit target is going to be 2174. Second profit target is going to be 2195. And then I would trail a stop, see if you can get through 22 and go into 2220 area. Next we have COST. You can see resistance line right around 8615. That's from Friday's session right here. Now we also have a little bit more resistance just above that, so I'm going to wait to take this long over 8645. So right about there. First profit target is going to be 8731. Second profit target is going to be 8817, so just under 88, just over 88. Take a little bit more profit, and then trail a stop on your last piece and see if you can come up and test this 89 area. Now we're looking at DPZ. You can see this double top here with a higher low and a higher low. See if we can push through and break this resistance level here right around 33. Going to take this long over 3306. So right about there. First profit target is going to be 3339. Second profit target is going to be 3372. And then I would trail a stop on your last piece. See if you can test 34, possibly move up into 34.50 right in there. So trail a stop on the last piece. Try to be patient, especially if the market's rallying and breaking through resistance levels. This could follow through and trend up into that 34.40 to 34.50 area. Next we have NUVA, NUVA. Had a big day down Friday session. You can see support level here right around 1480. Going to look for a break below that low for some more selling. Going to take this short under 1476. Spread this out a little bit. So right about there, take it short. First profit target is going to be 1462. Second profit target is going to be 1448. And then trail a stop on your last piece. See if you can come down into 1430. Possibly even 14. Just depends on what we have as far as the market's going today. If we get a lot of selling and breaking through support, you can be more patient and try to get to that 14 with your last piece. Now we're looking at AEM. See support level here just over 42. Tested it a couple times here. Going to look for a break below that 42 to take this short. Going to go short under 41.95. First profit target is going to be 41.54. Right about there. Second profit target is going to be 41.13. So just over 41. Take that second piece off. Move down your stop and then trail the stop on that last piece. See if you can break below 41, and I would really try to get to this 40. And our last trade is AVP. You can see Thursday's session had the big sell-off. Didn't really have much of a bounce or recovery. Stayed near the lows. Then on Friday's session, tried to bounce again. Couldn't come through this resistance level and started to sell back into the lows again. So this is a weak sign. You can see support level here is going to be right around 1840. I'm going to look to take this short under 1835. First profit target is going to be 1817. Second profit target's going to be $17.99. So right at 18, take that second profit. See if it can break through 18. Maybe go to 17.75 and possibly 17.50 on your last piece. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.